Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the seamless process of securing your Bowlero Summer Season Pass online. To kick things off, fire up your smartphone or desktop browser and head straight to the official Bowlero website. Then tap on the dedicated Summer Season Pass section to pull up the main registration hub. Your very first critical step here is to enter your city or zip code into the Center Locator tool to select your primary home alley, as specific operating hours, pass availability, and regional pricing structures can fluctuate depending on your geographic area. Once your preferred bowling center is locked in, you will be presented with a direct side-by-side choice between the Basic Pass and the heavily upgraded Premium Pass. If you just want to focus purely on the sport, the Basic Pass scores you 2 complimentary games of bowling every single day all summer long, complete with free daily rental shoes included in the box. However, if you want maximum bang for your buck, the Premium Pass elevates the experience by adding a $5 arcade card reload during every single daily visit, a solid 15% discount on lane-side food and non-alcoholic beverages, and the elite flexibility to use your pass seamlessly across participating AMF and Lucky Strike lanes nationwide after initial activation. After selecting the absolute perfect pass tier for your summer schedule, simply hit the Buy button, update the quantities to match your family or friend group size, and input the legal full names for each individual pass holder. To wrap things up, advance directly to the secure checkout screen, input your standard credit card or payment billing details to finalize the transaction, and check your inbox for an instant confirmation email housing your digital barcodes, which you can easily scan right at the front desk to hit the lanes immediately. Subscribe the channel for more videos.